Hello humans, welcome back. I haven't filmed in like a month. Oops, I've been very busy, but I am back and we are doing another cosplay breakdown overview thing. We are doing Power from Chainsaw Man. I've made another video in my Power cosplay, but this is one where I'm gonna go through how I do my makeup and the whole costume. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my makeup. I've already done my foundation and everything. I'm going to start with this little ColourPop palette, which I actually just got, so this will be fun. So for Power, I don't want to do anything too dramatic. I just want to use these like, you can't see that, these like kind of beigey tones, just to give the eye a little bit of form. And then I'm gonna go in with this gray color at the top, just for a little bit of highlight. And then this top beige here. So there is the eyeshadow done. It looks slightly uneven on camera, but it looks fine in real life, so just gonna go with it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, which I know I got out. I didn't have to find it. There it is. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner next. And for Power, I don't want to do like a long dramatic wing like I do for some of my other ones. Her eyes have more of just like a round shape. Okay, so that's the top eyeliner done. I like it to be pretty thick. I just like a very dramatic eyeliner look. So now I'm gonna go in on the bottom lashes and just do like a little line. So the bottom lashes will look something like that. Well, the bottom line. I'm gonna do the lashes next. I'm just gonna draw some little fake lashes on the bottom because her character design has some heavier bottom lashes, so it's easier to just draw them on. So just something like that, just so they're just some little baby lashes. There we go. That's better. Okay, so there's what the bottom lashes are gonna look like. I'm gonna repeat that on the other eye. So there's the bottom lash line done. And then I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner on the waterline. I like to do this because it gives my eyes that big, like, anime look. Okay, so there are the eyeballs done. Well, not quite done. I just need to put on a bit of mascara, but then they will be done. So, incoming mascara. And for Power, I'm not gonna do fake lashes. Her lashes aren't super long, so I think that just the mascara is fine. Okay, now the eyes are done. So next, I'm gonna go in with the brows. I have my little brow pencil here. Luckily, I can just use my normal brow color because it matches my wig. So for Power, I want to do them thicker on this half of them, but they don't really have a long tip on them. I should do this with my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. A lot of my makeup is all muscle memory, because I'm basically blind without my glasses, so most of the time I am just fully guessing what I am doing. But as long as the end result looks good, I can just trust the process. Just using a little brush to fluff them out. And I am going to go in with some concealer right here because we don't really need to see the ends of those. And the concealer works just fine for covering it up. Okay, and that is brows done. So now I am going to go in with my contour palette and just do that. And just give my face a bit of definition around the edges. I'm gonna use the tiny brush to do a bit on the nose. Okay, so there is the rest of the face done. And I'm going to go in with a lipstick next. It's pretty close to my actual lip color. I don't want a super dramatic lip, so I'm just gonna put some of this on. Really, I'm using this more of just like a lip tint, so it looks better in pictures, but I want it to look pretty natural regardless. Alright, and that is the makeup done. So now I'm going to go through the entire costume. So Power's outfit is relatively straightforward. I have my white shirt, and the tie, which is right here. This shirt is slightly too big on me, but it really works for Power's look because it's kind of that like casual, relaxed outfit. And then black pants, perfect. And then this awesome coat that I thrifted. It's literally the perfect color for her. I walked into the thrift store because I'm like, okay, let's just see what they have. If they just have like a plain blue sweatshirt, that would be perfect. And I walked over to the coat rack and I saw this coat and I'm like, that's literally perfect. It was like fate. So anyway, I have this awesome coat. And I don't have shoes that look exactly like hers, but hear me out. Cat shoes. She loves cats. They're sneakers. We're going with it. And my favorite part, the wig, which I store braided, but obviously I'll be taking the braid down once I put the wig on my head. She's a little bit frizzy right now, but once I have it on, I will brush it. I am obsessed with the color of this wig. It looks so good. I love it. And the final detail, this part, I actually made her little horns. So cute. I really like these. I decided to do this like gold tip on them because I wanted them to have a little more pizzazz, I guess. So when I was painting them, I'm like, you know, let's add a little bit of gold to the tips because I think that looks very cool. So anyway, I'm going to get into costume and I will show you the finished look. So here's the finished costume. Now that I have it all on, I got my shirt half tucked in like she has, got my little pants rolled up and my fun shoes. I'm obsessed with Power. I'm obsessed with Chainsaw Man in general. I think she's so fun to cosplay. My little horns. I love them so much. Here's the makeup again. Anyway, if you liked this video, please go like and subscribe. Maybe leave a comment with some suggestions for another video. I definitely want to make more like cosplay breakdown videos like this in the near future. So let me know if there's any characters you particularly want to see that maybe I've like posted on my Instagram or something like that. And I think that'll be it for today. So I will see you guys, whoa, tangled up my wig. I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye bye!